When you maintain payroll in Spire, you have to generate T4 statements for employees and the Canada Revenue Agency. Each year, you can either print or email the forms for employees, and then remit to CRA either electronically or by mail, and can make future corrections if necessary. Before you can begin generating T4 statements, you first have to complete the payroll year-end for this year to confirm and lock in the employee amounts. That process can be started from the payroll top menu, and performing a data snapshot beforehand is recommended. The values that print on T4s are stored on the employee records and can be viewed from the Earnings tab, in sections for both earnings and withholdings. You can also open the T4 Statements tab to see the past year forms, and even generate a new statement just for this employee if desired. More likely, you will want to generate T4 statements for multiple or all employees at once. This can be done from the Payroll top menu and the T4 statement selection. This opens a screen with a complete list of employees and historical statements, which you could filter or search through if you wanted to locate a specific statement. Or when the payroll year-end is completed, you can use the Generate T4 procedure to create new records based on the last year payroll amounts. Continuing, we'll put these new records on the list to verify prior to printing or submission. If you have the user security setting to manage T4s, you can highlight any record and open it to view the form values. They're also labeled with respective box numbers as applicable. Your company's account number is stored in Company Settings within the Payroll section. It may be that what you need to submit on this employee's T4 is not what is currently stored in the data, and you have the opportunity to enter an adjusted value and save it on this record. And if you need to look up anything about this employee, you can open the employee record in a separate window from here. When all employee T4 information is correct, you can then create the forms. Highlight one or multiple T4 records, or perhaps filter this list and display only the T4s for the required year. And then from the printer icon, you can print selected records, or all visible on the list. On this screen, select the necessary reports that you can either print forms to paper or create emails for employees with PDF attachments of the T4s. On each form, paper or PDF, the employee earnings print in the respective boxes. Note the new box for dental benefits on the 2023 form. On reports for the employer, the value for the employer's account number is printed. The T4 summary report outputs the totals for all selected employee T4 statements, which can be used for filling in the PDF accessible from the Canada Revenue website. If you prefer to upload T4 information to CRA, or if you have more than 50 T4s to submit in this calendar year, you can instead use the Export to CRA procedure to create the XML file for uploading. Ensure that Company Settings has your payroll account number prior to starting. When you click the Export button, a screen will appear with company information required with the upload file, including the company owner's social insurance number. The contact information here is populated from what you have in Company Settings for the payroll contact, and this can be adjusted as needed. Continuing from this screen will prompt you to save the XML file for uploading. Whether you upload employee T4 information to CRA or use printed forms, after successful completion, the next step is to indicate that the T4 records have been remitted. For all selected T4s, using the Mark Remitted button will set the remitted date as today. This step is strictly to indicate in Spire that the T4s have been processed successfully and is not involved in that processing. After T4 submission and remittance, you might later on find out that there was a problem that needs to be fixed. If you have user security rights to view T4s, you can change the status of a remitted T4 from original to either amended and make corrections, or cancelled to reverse an unchanged submission. If you save the T4 with either of these statuses, you have to submit the updated T4 back to CRA. And if you use the export process to do so electronically, make sure you choose a report type of either amendment or cancellation to match. or only T4s having this status will be selected to export. If you would like more information about Spire Accounting, access the link in the description below to our homepage. Read the online manual help for additional assistance. Watch more videos from this playlist. And subscribe to the Spire YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.